Hey guys, this is part 2 of taking apart the parts mowers. I'm ready to go. So I showed you guys. Go watch part 1 if you haven't yet. We're gonna be taking apart. We're gonna be taking apart that lawnmower, that lawnmower, that lawnmower. Keeping the green deck for an engine. That one, and the other Honda. Those two Hondas. So let's get to taking these things apart. Oops, guys. All right. I don't know where I can put you guys. Do I put you right here? All right, let's get to it. Got my 2 tools that I was needing. I want to take apart this one first. So this, I'm just gonna take apart this one. I have the parts for it, but it needs so many that I could probably use them for another mower. Plus, this goes to a weed eater brand lawnmower, and somebody put it on this deck. So somebody really banged out this deck. So this is a parts mower for somebody. Somebody made a parts mower, so it's not being used ever again. So start taking her apart. Poor old lawnmowers, man. I like to keep these ones a lot. I like to fix them a lot because it's the Bridge and Stratton Classic, but when they're like this, you can't save them if they're bad. And this one is one of the really bad ones. Just definitely save the wing nuts, because you always want to save wing nuts. Plus these are really big. You always want to save the wing nut just in case, because you never know, man. You never know if you're ever gonna need. You always gotta save the wing nuts because you never know if you're ever gonna need a wing nut for another lawnmower or a wing nut for another project or something that you have. So you always want to keep the wing nuts. I always keep my wing nuts. So I'm just gonna keep those. Just gonna clean those up, blow all the rust out, and it'll be great again. Just put that in a pile. Take out this one. There we go. So, guys, make sure you subscribe to my second channel, the Oversized Load channel. I film a bunch of oversized loads. It is a very good channel, so just go subscribe to that. If you're subscribed to this channel, you have to be subscribed to my other channel. You guys get to see all kinds of things. I just haven't uploaded in a while, but trust me, I'll start uploading. I just uploaded 2 videos, but I don't upload on there as much as I upload on here, just because I need to get it done. Alright, I'm just gonna, this all needs to be thrown away, so I'm just gonna, all the stuff I'm throwing away, I'm just gonna put in a pile. I lost the wing nut. Oh, here it is. I set it right next to the other one and I still lost it. So let's set them right there. And the next thing we're gonna... Oh god, stop. I'm gonna have to cut those out at some point. Alright, there we go. I'm down in my new work area we made me. There's the new door. Alright, here we go. There we go. This isn't a how-to video, it's just a video that you guys might watch, just to watch it and maybe learn how, I don't know. I haven't even looked at the air filter. Let me look at this air filter. Let me see if how good that is. It was missing a gas cap and all that. I found it and that red one right next to you guys for free on the side of the road when we were out door dashing. Huh? Well, it has an air filter. And there's nothing left of it, barely. There is 1/4 of the air filter left. So that's probably not worth any crap. So we're just gonna save that. That's a good part to keep. It's the one that has the choke. See, the choke is broke, so, and the intake to the carburetor is really screwed. I'm surprised it actually has that sticker still on there. This bolt, last bolt holding this. See off the top cover, because sometimes the top covers are good, but this top cover is junk because it's missing a recoiling on it. I already have one, so I don't need to keep this one. I already have one. No need to rewind this one if I already have one. So I'm just gonna get rid of this one. I'm gonna bring it down to. I have a guy that I give it all to. He goes and gets money for it. I don't really care. I had bad experience with the scrap man too, so I don't give him my business anymore. 21 recycling. Don't ever go there. There's that. We're just gonna throw this. Just gonna throw that away. So put it over there in the. We're just gonna put that over there in the parts bin. Let's see, what else could I use? Oh yeah, the engine has 0 compression. The piston's just jiggling around in there, so that's not a good sign. It's probably, that thing's probably broke. God dang stupid piston's probably broke, so that's not a good sign. I got the dipstick out. I had to use my drill bit even to get it out. Alright, I got out the dipstick. We're going to keep the dipstick. I always keep dipsticks for these. Oh yeah, it also has no oil in the engine. That's just another bad thing. There we go. I am going to keep the muffler. So I'm going to get a bigger socket. Piece of junk. I'm not going to keep these wheels. It's just a cheaper mower. So it's not worth anything. There's always deer down here, guys. Always on the other side of the creek. They're always running around on the other side of the creek. They don't usually come up here. But, yep. Kind of dirt. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, it didn't come with a spark plug, and the magneto is completely rusted out. So that's not no good. Oh. 13 that it was? I don't really remember. I haven't taken off a Briggs Classic in a while, so I have to see. The 13 or it's a 12. I think it was a 13. Yep, 13 millimeter. I like to keep Briggs & Stratton Classic gas tanks just for decoration. They're nice for decoration. Definitely gonna keep the idle spring. Never know you're gonna need idle spring. They're always always helpful to have idle spring. To any brigs. There we go. I got the idle spring. Carburetor is really dirty. There's that bolt. Gas tank should just come right off. Yep. Came right off. You guys see it's extremely dirty. That's just packed. So we're gonna keep that. That's gonna be the one part we keep down here. It's gonna sit right here against this tree. It should be a decoration for down here. I saw a poisonous spider with like crab legs, but let me see. I don't think I can get the muffler off today because I don't have my huge pliers. Yeah, no, I'll take off the muffler another day. I come down, but this one's all parted out. I'll get the blades after something a little bit too soon. Alright guys, now we got this one. Whoa. Oh. It's got water and I don't even know what in the dang gas tank, so we're just gonna pour that out. Just pour all that whatever's in there out. Yeah, that's not even gasoline anymore. Just gonna let that drain. Alright guys, it's probably all drained out now. I was just looking at the other stuff over there. There we go. Empty this thing out completely because I'm going to keep the gas tank. Alright, the gas tank's empty. I'm going to tip that back over. There we go. The gas tank's all empty. I'm just going to start taking it apart now. Alrighty. I don't have that big of a parts pile yet. Alright, so I'm gonna get this top cover off. I'm gonna keep the top cover with the label and all that. So. There we go. Boom. 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 Go. Oh, there goes the dang long legs. There we go. Let's take off this one. Still not free? I guess the back one's longer. Alright, there's our top cover. piled for keeping. The engine is very small in this. The engine's very small. I'm gonna pop off the breather hose. I'm gonna keep the carburetor and engine and all that in there. So I'm gonna take all this off. Just got a hand one. These aren't that tight. It's just holding on the carburetor. There you go, guys. I hope you guys like my videos. I try to make them good. I'm not that old. I'm just trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can make a little bit of money and start my little small engine business and then grow my YouTube channel. I'm probably gonna do a YouTube channel until I'm about 25. I'm not gonna do it to make money. I'm just gonna do it as a hobby channel, just to make a little bit of spare money on the edge. I'm gonna keep the carburetor, the spark plug. Actually, I'm not gonna keep the spark plug. Bad spark plug. I'm basically gonna keep all the good stuff off the engine, just for parts. Go. Alright, now it's 9:32. They should have just made them all the same size bolt and then just put a little dot on them. That's what I would have did, like Honda did. Of course, these newer braking Stratons, overhead valve braking Stratons, just have to be crap. Air filter base off. Carburetor is extremely dirty. Everything on this mower is extremely dirty. I can tell nothing from that house was taken care of because their yard was even not in good shape. I'm gonna touch this carburetor. I'm just gonna yank it off and then pop off the fuel line. Just gonna yank it off with the pliers. Pliers deal with it. There we go. Let that carburetor drain all the gasoline out. Just don't mind the noise in the background. That's the dog up the street. There we go. There's that. There's not very much more I want to save off this. I want to save the brake cable because it's still in good condition. It's not broken. Not broken. I can still use it for another mower. Rip the zip ties, stick the pliers in there and just rip them. Just twist them with the pliers and rip them. Then just put your pliers in there and just tie backwards. And then just I got the brake cable off. Getting a lot of parts off this one. Alright, I'm going to take the muffler, then that's the last thing I'm going to take off this mower. Actually, I'm going to keep these clips. Yeah! Yeah! Working? That's... Huh? That's just my aunt, guys. She just got home. I gotta get off this muffler. It's smaller than 932. Oh, it's a 1/4. Actually, never mind, guys. I don't need to take off the muffler. Alright, this one's ready to go. Oops. Oh, gotta take this off because I do have to get that. On most mowers, that's missing, so I can't let go. Take that off real quick. There we go, it screws right in the handle. Alright. There's all for this mower. Actually guys, on both of these crap push mowers right here, neither of them have blades or blade adapters or bolts for the blades. So that's the reason I'm not taking those. I would, but they didn't come with them, so I'm not doing it. Alright guys, I guess I'll make that it for this video. That's enough. Just 2 mowers. I'll make another video on the 2 Hondas, but thanks for watching. Hope you guys, this helped you. If you guys enjoyed, we'll see you next time. Bye.